Have you had one of those days you woke up and you just feel so tired and you didn't even get out of bed? So I want to share with you, my friends, today it's 1 month since I've been in HRTs. If you've been following me, my new series called This Is 50 Real Life, my wellness journey in HRTs, what no one told me. I've been sharing that for a month on YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to catch you up. So I can't believe it. It's been a month and I woke up feeling the same as I did before HRTs. So let's go back, way back. But before we do that, hi, welcome to Fit and Fueled by Faith with your host, Stacy. Hello Hormone series where the female body meets faith, season 2. So we're continuing this journey. Hello Hormones. And I'm sharing with you, yes, I decided to go on HRTs. Putting it out there publicly. Well, like I said, I put it out there. I did a day one kind of like series, and then it kind of turned into a weekly recap and whatever not. So I woke up feeling so exhausted, achy, and I went to bed at 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock. And even before that, my husband, he tried to get near me in bed, hug me, and I was like, hon, I love you, but I'm hot. And then I was getting a leg cramp. I'm like, what is going on? It took my magnesium. So what I'm doing here to let you know, I'm taking progesterone, 100 milligrams, microdose, and transdermal. And then I'm doing the estrogen patch. Okay, so like I said, it's 1 month exactly. I started a month ago. I don't want to tell you the dates because right, my recording's off. But either way, as I'm recording this, it's been, I guess, 30 days. Yeah, 30, 31 days. And so I'm just like, whoa. So let's go back, way back. No, we're not going way back. But okay, so the first week I took them, I decided, okay, let me just go for this because I wasn't seeing anything. I was trying to get my fitness in order, my workouts, my diet, everything. And I'm like, okay, let me just go jump right in. Because doing the research, it's like, okay, I'm doing all the things and nothing's working. And of course, when your cortisol level is high and your stress is high and you're in a cortisol loop and your estrogen and your hormones are just everywhere, roller coaster, as I mentioned, right? High and low and everywhere. It's hard for the body to release fat. So I'm like, okay, I got to do something here. So I'm like, I'm just going to get on it. Let me just do it. So I remember that night I put on, so how it works is the estrogen patch is twice a week. Okay, so I do it Sunday and Wednesday. I have to change it, and then you have to change it on different sides. So lower abdominal, or you could do it your lower back. I do it the front so I could see it, easy to put on and take off. And then the progesterone is one tablet a night, one a day. Okay, see, I'm tired. It's been a long day. And I'm thinking, okay, and I was just having mild hot flashes. So week 1, still mild hot flashes, nothing really big. But it was weird because I was thinking, am I getting a period? Because I had 2 weeks prior to jumping on or jumping in, whatever you want to call it, officially saying, okay, yeah, let me take these HRTs. I had a period, or it was a couple weeks. Either way, I was just feeling like something weird. So I'm like, okay, let me take this. And then I think the second week, I realized I wasn't having hot flashes. But of course, I wouldn't get hot flashes when I would get into a cycle and have my period. And like I said, I was coming off of a cycle, so I couldn't tell. And my sleep was good already. I know some people take progesterone because they're not having good sleep. But you have to take estrogen and progesterone. You got to take them together. So don't listen to me. Talk to your doctor if you're still thinking about it or you're ready to just do it. Do the research. We're all different. And where am I getting at? Brain fog. Okay. That's funny too, brain fog. Like all these symptoms that I had prior, I'm like, what's going on? Are these HRTs not working a month later? And so, long story short, 2 weeks into taking my HRTs, I got a period. I'm like, okay, no hot flashes, sleeping okay, went on vacation. One thing I did notice was my energy. I was feeling a little more energized. I started doing 4 times of strength training a week. I increased my steps to like 10 to 15,000 steps a day. And so I don't know. All of a sudden, like, yesterday a little tired, but then today it's just like, whoa, crash and burn. I don't know what's going on. And another thing too, for the past like 3 weeks, my breasts have been tender. Getting a little better at first, I have to say. Don't say anything. I know it's a little personal. But my nips were really sensitive. And now it's just a little bit more tender boobs. So I don't know. I'm like, am I getting another period? Because you figure it was when was the last period I had? Like 2-3 weeks ago. Either way. So that's my journey. Long story short. I didn't really see a difference. I was already having good sleep. I did notice the energy kick in. Hot flashes kind of tapered away, but like I say, that's typical. When I get a period, the hot flashes go away. But then again, they haven't come back. So it's been 2 to 3 weeks after a menses, and no hot flashes. Just getting hot because it is summertime and it's like 90 degrees outside. and then just today, I haven't had this like fatigued, tired feeling. I mean, I had to get up, and of course today was a long day because I had to work one job and then double duty because we're leaving to go on vacation tomorrow. So I had to do my job I normally do for tomorrow today. So, and you're probably like, why, Stacey, you're recording this? Because I'm still trying to catch up from being on vacation 2 weeks ago. My episode's here. So, and with that said, my husband's home. So I just want to catch you guys up on what is going on. Let me know if you're on HRTs, what's working, what's not working, if you're deciding to do it. Like I said, I think just a combination of maybe I was in a cycle when I started the HRTs, and I'm coming out of it, and maybe everything's starting to balance or shift. I've increased my calories, I said my workout and stuff, my sleep. And there's a few nights in the past week where I had like twitching in the arms or hands. But I'd say the past 3 or 4 nights, decent sleep. So I don't know why I'm so tired, why I'm feeling this fatigue again. But I will keep you posted. So stick along. Is that right? Stick around as I continue to share my HRT journey. Make sure to check my shorts, where maybe I'll get back to daily or more frequently sharing, when I have the time, what's going on my wellness journey on HRTs, right? This is real life. This is 50, but no one told me. So we're all kind of jumping into this blinded. I mean, there's some research and stuff like that, but still, it's new to our bodies and trying to figure out what's working, what's not working. So 4 weeks into it, a month later, I'm exhausted. So that's what I have for you, my sisters. So yeah. But with that said, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And leave any comments. And I will see you here in the next episode. So God bless you, my sisters. As always, this podcast is about taking care of our body, renewing our mind, and strengthening our soul God's way. Here to help you understand what is going on in our bodies, and that you're not broken, you're not behind. We are becoming in Christ, one day, one step, one choice at a time. So till next time, God bless, much love, peace, and happiness. Go out in the world, share love, make peace, and be happy. Yay! And you know what? Yes, I love you. But Jesus, he loves you more. Oh, and one last little thing, if you're still here. You see my little outfit? I cleaned my church today. And this old gentleman, he was so cute. He's like, are you a nun? I said, no, but someone had asked me that when I was 12 years old, if I wanted to be a nun. And I said, I don't know. But long story short, I didn't become a nun. I was married, had 3 kids, and now I'm remarried again, adult kids. Going to be a grandma for the first time. So, but I love God. I do have a personal relationship with Jesus Christ. I love him. I'm a child of God. And he is my everything. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Okay. Love you. Bye.